In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to adjust your profile settings in Microsoft Edge to optimize your browsing experience. Whether you're using Edge for work or personal browsing, or a combination of both, this feature is a great way to streamline your profiles and ensure that your browser is set up just the way you like it. To get started, first open up Microsoft Edge on your computer. Once you've got Edge open, glance towards the top right corner of your screen. You'll see three dots arranged vertically. This is the menu button where you will be able to access all the settings we're going to work with today. Click on these three dots. By doing this, you'll bring up a drop-down menu filled with different options and tools that Edge offers. Now, from this drop-down menu, you'll want to find and click on Settings. The Settings menu is your hub for customizing how you interact with Microsoft Edge. This is where you configure everything from basic preferences like privacy settings and appearance, to more advanced configurations, such as the one we're focusing on today. Within the Settings page, look to the left-hand side, and you should notice a sidebar menu. Scan through these categories until you find Profiles, then click on it. Edge uses profiles to help manage your browsing data, which is particularly useful if you're sharing a device or managing different accounts for work and personal tasks. Under the Profiles section, you'll see Profile Preferences. Click on this option, and you'll be able to manage various profile settings that help define how your browser behaves. This section is especially important if you often find yourself switching between different accounts or profiles. Next, inside the Profile Preferences menu, you'll want to find the feature called Work or Personal Switch. Enabling this feature will allow you to seamlessly switch between work and personal profiles. This can be incredibly useful for maintaining organization throughout your browsing sessions, as it prevents mixing work-related activities with personal browsing, ensuring that you maintain a good work-life balance digitally. You'll find a button on the right-hand side of this option. Click the button to toggle it on, activating this handy feature. And there you have it. You've successfully configured your Microsoft Edge profile settings to better suit your needs. By enabling the work or personal switch, you can now enjoy a more organized and customized browsing experience. I hope this helps you make the most out of your time online. Thank you for following along, and be sure to stay tuned for more tips and tricks to enhance your everyday